Recently, over 30 AFEC students visited Eco-Green Energy's Nantong manufacturing facility. The visit also included discussions on clean energy, international entrepreneurship, and cooperation between Europe and China. From PV module production lines to BESS solutions, they explored the real world of renewable energy manufacturing. Renewable energy is not only about technology, it's also about connecting cultures and future talents. A meaningful day of learning, exchange, and inspiration.